Hello, everybody. My name is Alex Fleetwood, and I'm the CEO and founder of Sensibile Object, and we make games for a more connected world. So it might surprise you to know that tabletop game sales are absolutely booming, driven by cool new designs, e-commerce, and the rise of game cafes in cities around the world, a once moribund industry has been revived. And of course, we all know that the mobile game market is absolutely huge. We are now all carrying around with us these supercomputers in our pockets, and we're using them to play games which are immersive, sophisticated, and super networked. So what we believe in at Sensibile Object is that we can take the best of mobile gaming and combine it with the face-to-face social joy of a tabletop game. And I'm pleased to say that we've already done that with our first game, Beasts of Balance. So a little about the journey to get to this point. After an R&D period, we took the game to Kickstarter in January of 2016, and then shipped on time to our customers and to our retail partners in November of last year. And here's how the game works. Players take on the role of a family of gods and goddesses trying to create life. And the way they do that is by building a balancing tower out of these magical artifacts. Every stack changes your world. So when I put a bear on the tower, a bear appears. When I put a shark on the tower, a shark appears. And if I then play a cross artifact, some kind of bear-shark hybrid might enter the world. The players have to keep their world in balance, both digitally and physically, dealing with the tower and the ecosystem. And they have to be careful, because if they knock that tower over, this volcano is going to erupt, and their world is going to end in a rain of fire and lava. And you don't want that. So that's how the game works. And let me tell you a bit about how we brought it to market. In addition to Kickstarter and our own e-commerce platform at beastsofbalance.com, we secured exclusive retail partnerships with premium retailers in the UK and the US. And working closely with them, and with a great marketing campaign, we were able to sell through over 10,000 units in our first year. And those customers are having a great time. We're seeing incredible reviews on our Amazon page with an average review score of 4.8 out of 5. And crucially, we're seeing incredible player data. This game is being played a lot, an average of 16 times per household. And for a hardware startup, it's essential that your product just works, that we offer a seamless, reliable experience to our customers. And with our returns rate running at significantly less than 1%, I'm pleased to say that it just does. So we're taking that great evidence of product market fit, and we're scaling. All of our existing retail customers are reordering the game in larger quantities for this year, and we're adding new partners. Bricks and mortar retail across the US and Canada. We're working closely with Amazon.com to extend our e-commerce range. And excitingly, we're going to be into Asia. We're entering the Chinese market ahead of Singles Day with a startup partnership with the online retailer JD.com. So that's how we got to market. But let me tell you about something which I think makes us quite unique, which is that we can build a scalable growth engine very tightly integrated with our product experience. The first thing that all of our customers do when they get the game home is they download our app. And that gives us some real advantages. One of those is that we can observe player behavior through detailed, rich analytics. We can see which pieces they find hardest to play. And we can observe which kinds of features drive retention the best. And we can use that data to inform a service model with a continuous upgrade of both physical and digital elements designed to improve the player experience and increase lifetime value. We're particularly excited to be bringing out Battle Mode later this year, which completely turns the idea of the game on its head, providing a new way to play. And once we've got those engaged, active players, we can turn them into more customers. We can drive players from our app to our e-commerce site, where over 1 in 4 customers already add some kind of upgrade to their package. Taken together, what we're doing is taking ideas from mobile gaming around retention, referral, and virality, and applying it to our unique hybrid physical-digital game model. So to finish up, I'd like to tell you a bit about how we see the future of home gaming. Already, in every home, there are an array of connected devices. Some of those are private, and some of those are shared. But they're all potentially available and interesting to use in connected play for display, interaction, and fun. Our vision is to integrate all of those devices into a play platform for the connected home. Let's just take one example. Let's think about voice interaction and conversational AI. Smart speakers are everywhere, right? And largely being used for pretty functional tasks. But what if you could integrate that smart speaker into a home play experience? What if you could throw away the rulebook to your board game and have Alexa tell you how to play? Or, more excitingly, what if you could enter the world of your game by talking with and interacting with characters from that game as part of the play experience? It's creatively very exciting, and with 10 million smart speakers in homes by this holiday, there's a large and interesting market to be addressed. We're tackling these challenges with an incredible team. We have a seasoned product team that's been working together since the start of the project across hardware, software, and game design. They've shipped a product together, and they've learned a great deal through that process. We all have. That's augmented with an experienced team of executives from video games and retail who are helping us solve our commercial challenges. So, thank you for listening. I hope very much that you'll join us after the show to play the game, nothing like getting hands-on and seeing how it works for yourself, and also to talk with us about investment and partnership. We have currently raised $1 million of a $1.5 million round, led by our early-stage VC partner, London Venture Partners. We're also interested in talking to anybody who has a view on the connected home of the future and how play can help us understand what that's going to be. Thank you.